Yo guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today guys, we're in an attic, my attic. Today it is 3 a.m. and we just got a package, a Lego. Well, we ordered 2 Legos off the dark web. And we are going to be opening them in our haunted attic. So, one thing I noticed is that it says this. I don't know what that means. Thank you.
What's the first again? Oh yeah,
so
didn't read it.
also you can hear them, right? Yeah. By the way, if you're hearing the fan,
It's hot up here.
it's not hot. It's just
Very quiet.
it's so quiet. Anyways, we're gonna open this, and you can see like there's a lot of tape, and it's just very, very weird. What do you expect? So we're gonna open this. We're gonna see what's inside. We also have our second camera set up back here. You won't see that, but after things, we will. We'll see that. We don't need it all open.
Oh, so that's stuff. Okay. Well.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. That's one box.
This stuff, like this, all of this stuff is like really messed up.
Like dents everywhere.
Where did they get this stuff?
I have no idea.
Oh my gosh.
This smell.
Dude, this box stinks. Died in it. Which one would you like?
Yeah.
So I forgot to mention, we're actually building these complete. We're going to completely build these, and let me go grab you. Oh my god. Let me go grab you for a second, and we'll get right back to it. All right. So we have this is what our setup really looks like. We have a table, our dark web Lego sets, and we laid out a carpet that we found up here. And there's our second camera, and we both have our drink, and my knife, and her knife is up there. Oh, and
We have marshmallow launcher.
this is our defense mechanism. If
Like,
anyone,
put a marshmallow in it and then poof,
hey, put a marshmallow in it, and then you,
blow out of this end.
and then it shoots real fast. And there's our fan, and there's that creepy place under there. Anyways, I'm going to go with this one, and I guess that leaves you with that. What is it? I don't know. I can't read anything.
It says Lego.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy.
You can read it. It says in the corner, it says Lego.
No, that says Ego.
It says Lego.
It says Ego.
Well,
I think I'm gonna start opening mine.
looks like mine's already been.
Let me get my camera set up. We'll tell you if we hear anything, and we're just gonna build our Legos quickly so we can get out of this place. Alright, that's already a weird sign. Some of loose pieces for some reason.
Oh, mine was in decent shape. The box wasn't, but I haven't found any.
Oh, there it is.
Next bag.
You know, the box almost feels soggy,
Yeah,
like it's coated in something.
I don't want to know what.
Good gravy. Okay, so I guess these were our base plates, the loose pieces, and there's your pieces all over the floor.
Yeah, I'm not very good at this stuff.
If it gets boring and there's nothing to show, I guess we'll speed up the video, but I'm not sure.
Okay.
I don't know if you guys can hear that. Hold on.
It's like it's raining,
Oh yeah, it is raining.
but you can like barely hear it.
It's up that far.
I've never seen this. Like, is this in the game? Like the fire creeper thing?
I have no idea.
How do you build this? Which way is it supposed to go? Oh, crafting table. Almost forgot. Crapping table.
I got this so far.
Fun.
Taking me actually forever.
Another weird thing, my Legos are pre-built for some reason. Why did they do this? Who did this?
When did this?
Indigo. I shouldn't have said that.
This goes.
It's kind of boring up here.
Yep.
You know.
Nothing to do. Not really anything interesting. I guess it's only yours that were pre-built because I have not found one piece that has been pre-built of it. It's out of mine.
Big. It's done. Piece of iron. That's cool.
Alrighty. Let's get this done.
Did you guys hear that? Could have sworn I heard something behind me. No, hold on. Heard like a. No.
Probably nothing.
Yes. Probably.
Oh, man.
Only hope.
I know we can only hope, but
Okay.
Is that what that's supposed to look like? Yeah, I swear.
build that. Hold on.
I was about to say I agree with you, but then that would be mean.
Oh, it's a wood.
I agree with you. Oh, wrong one. I think I'm almost done. Whoa.
What? I seen that earlier today, I think.
I don't know what this goes to. There's another one, yeah. There's a bunch of them.
Yeah, I wouldn't touch that stuff, by the way.
Oh, I didn't. I touched around it, even though my hands are still really itchy. And I know why.
That is insulation.
Yes, it is. Also, I forgot to finish the iron block because I got distracted. There we go. We are literally building Legos from the dark web.
I get what I did. I'm just retarded. And now I'm
Bro, you can't be saying those things around ghosts and ghouls.
Ghosts and ghouls?
I mean, not ghouls, but I mean ghosts.
And it sounds delicious.
Bro, stop. Okay, we'll get back to you if anything interesting happens. What the heck is that? Look at this. What is this? There's like a piece of paper here. Wadded up.
Well,
Here, I'm trying to unravel it real quick. Oh my. What is this supposed to mean?
I don't know. It was on my box too.
Really? Where?
Yeah, on the box. It's over there.
Well, you ripped it in half. You can see that. It's an eye. I don't know what that means. Alright, well, I finished my Lego set.
Almost done.
Almost. Yeah. Well, I think this looks fine. That's done, and then now I gotta help her. Alright, get ready to go.
Alright.
This is just supposed to be a stupid prank video.